Welcome back. People in Karyamaddi Kudsade are opposing an upcoming tower in their ward. Locals claim that they do not want the tower in residential area. Surprisingly, the ward councillor is also unaware about the upcoming tower. However, Chief Officer of Kudsade Municipality claims that the tower has all the permissions and there is no need to inform the councillor.
Locals in Karyamaddi Kurcharam do not want upcoming tower in their village. They claim that the tower in the residential area would cause health problems to the residents.
Tower naka, amko health mal hoitlo, ani amko koni sangong na. Tower biar bantam na amkai ko koni sangong na. Tanno amko tower naka.
हमको हो टावर बंद में खबर पसंद ना हम म्युनिसिपालिटी में गेले एप्लीकेशन दिले सगळे दिले हमको काउंसिलर में खबर ना हो बांधताय म्हणून
आणि हो टावर आमका हिंगा बोगले आमका रेजिडेंशियल एरिया बननो लहान भुरग्यांक मुखार लोक फ्युचरा कितें प्रॉब्लेम येता.
The local councillor is not aware of the upcoming tower in the area.
In fact, आमगे ते municipal councillor meeting देखून घालूना ते म्हाकाय कांय खबर आसना. Residents of Karyamaddi has come and complained it to me and they have given one copy to me. Now it is given to our CEO and CEO has said it will take further action on it.
But the Chief Officer of Kurcharam Municipality, Agnello Fernandez, says there is no need to inform the local councillor. He says that the tower has all the requisite permissions.
आम्ही म्युनिसिपालिटीन दिला परमिशन आणि हुंयचे हुंय बरेला काउन्सिलराक घेवपा जाय म्हणून इज देयर एनी प्रोविजन काउन्सिलराक घेवपा म्हाका दिसना काउन्सिलराक घेवपा म्हणून हे काउन्सिलराक कितें दिसता कितें आपण इलेक्ट जावन म्हणून सगळी जाय तशें करपा म्हणून तशें ना तें हे म्युनिसिपल फूल पावर ऑफ द टेक्निकल सेक्शन एंड चीफ ऑफिसर काउन्सिला मदीं हाडपाक म्हाका गरज दिसना अशी पूण तरी आसतना तेजे लोकांचे तो अन्याय जाला जाल्यार वील इन्वेस्टिगेट एंड डू जस्टीस पूण एक केसीन देर इज अ टेक्निकल क्लियरन्स फ्रॉम द टाउन एंड कंट्री प्लॅनिंग देर इज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटान क्लियरन्स दिला तरी आसतना तो लोक म्हणटा हेल्था जाता कित्याक आमकां नाका लोकांक तो हेल्था जाता कितें प्रॉब्लम जाता जाल्यार वील टेक एक्शन बट तेका बेश्टे लोक सांगताय म्हूण लोक रस्त्यार येता म्हूण हांव एक्शन घेवपा ना.
A reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Konkan Railway has decided to run a special diesel multiple unit train between Madgaon to Karwar from 1st of August. The train will run from Monday to Saturday. It will not run on Sunday.
Konkan Railway has decided to run a special DMU train between Madgaon, Karwar, Madgaon with effect from 1st of August except on Sundays. Konkan Railway aims at convenience to its passengers. This is the weekly schedule of the train. From Madgaon to Karwar, departure at 11:50 hours and arrival at 13:35 hours. From Karwar to Madgaon, departure at 14:50 hours, arrival at 16:10 hours. The special train will halt at Bari, Kankona, Loliye and Asnoti stations. The train will have 2 coaches and 1 engine cum coach. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar wants Goa Football Development Council to work towards making football an industry. The GFDC, a brainchild of Parrikar, marked its first anniversary on Monday. While speaking on the occasion, Parrikar praised Dr. Rufino Montero for exceeding his expectations as the GFDC chairman.
He has delivered beyond my expectation. In fact, he is making this council into a vibrant body. Now, I will speak out what I think about it. Keep the sport aspect of it aside. Economical activity also, including employment generation, it can be one of the most focal point in the state. In fact, after his first year, I would like him to understand start understanding the economical impact of it. I am very sure that Goa can, in next 2-3 years, Goa can involve additionally 1,000-1,500 people in different, I am not talking about government jobs, but they can engage 1,000-1,500 people in a different kinds of activities related with football alone. And if we rightly, I was just thinking when we were talking about it, my guess is it has an employment potential of at least 5,000 to 6,000 with financial turnover of at least 70 to 100 crores. This is my guess. When I think I have multiplied figures and those. So now that has to be one of the target, not the prime target, but it has to be one of the target. Because ultimately, remember one thing, if something does not have financial reward, in long term, like I say, everyone is dead in long term. That activity is also dead in long term.
If you missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.